Hi everybody, I am Mina. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn how to remove gel nail with e-file. In this video, I will show you removing gel nail on two models. The first one is a 4 weeks nail and the second one is a 1 week nail. And it's very hard to remove 1 week nail because the nail has not grown enough and it's very next to the cuticle. So watch the video till the end, and thank you for like this video, share it for your nail tech friend or nail lover friend, and subscribe my channel. As you can see in the video, I use carbide e-file bead. You can use ceramic e-bead instead of carbide, but if you are a little professional, you can use carbide e-bead to remove gel polish, gel extension, or fake nails, or even acrylic nails. Okay guys, right now you're watching the second model that I said at the first of the video. It's 1 week nail. It's very important to be very careful because the nail has not grown enough and the gel polish is very next to the cuticle. If you don't act carefully and you file very fast, the cuticle will be damaged. And always remember, for debulking or removing gel polish or any other materials, the RPM should be around 20,000, and please don't use low RPM to remove the materials. It's very important. Look carefully on my hand, on my hand's angle, and never don't place your hand vertically when you are removing any materials or gel nails. Hope this video will be useful for you and you learn something from this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like it and comment for me. Love you all, buddy.